So I'm bringing my girlfriend with me. Can you hear her? Porsche just got pulled over. No. Before we begin this video, update on the G. It's still not done tuning. I don't know why it's taking so long, but it's still not done. Hopefully we should be done. I keep saying that and it never gets done, so this time hopefully it comes true. That being said, welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome aboard. I do things to my my little car here, the G35. And well, one thing that always happens in this channel is that something always goes wrong. Okay, I bought new wheels and they sent me one wheel wrong, so I had to do all this whole thing. I do this thing and always something ends up going wrong. I do this. It's just something on the channel. Everybody who's been watching the channel for quite a long time, they know that something always goes wrong. So whenever I promise something, just know that something always is gonna go wrong. With that being said, if you guys know, about a month ago or something, I told you guys and put it on Instagram, and I told you guys that I was getting a carbon fiber hood, and I was like, dang, this is exciting, right? Well, as I mentioned earlier, something always has to go wrong, man. So let me go ahead and explain what actually went wrong with the hood, and hopefully you guys aren't too mad at me or for whatever reason. It's kind of weird. It was like the original plan, and then it was not, and then basically we're back to the original plan. Okay, so let me explain the backstory before we go see the hood and take the hood and start doing the hood. We're gonna install the hood to see the fitment, and we're also going to go ahead and install the hood pins. I know this hood, when you install it, you do need some hood pins because there's been circumstances where the hood actually flies up, so you need those hood pins for extra security so that the hood doesn't go flying up in your face onto the window, mess up a bunch of your other parts and things like that. So let's get on with the backstory. All right, guys, so here's the backstory. Okay, for those of you guys know, a long time ago, even before this yellow wrap, I ordered this honeycomb carbon fiber trunk, right? One of the reasons I decided to go with it because it was different. I never seen it before and it looked freaking awesome, and no, I'd never seen it on a G, and I was like, man, this could be pretty cool. So I ordered one. It's super great and I love it, right? One thing about it that I don't really like is that it's pretty pricey. It's pricier than just regular carbon fiber. So with that being said, we moved on to the hood. I've always wanted this carbon fiber AMS hood. The style, the design of the hood itself is just really beautiful. It's aggressive and I like it. Thing is that this hood only comes in either fiberglass or it comes in all carbon fiber, but the standard one, and I wasn't sure like if this is gonna match with the back. Like, I don't know if I really want to have this not match with that, right? So my original plan was to get the hood in fiberglass and basically wrap it in this yellow and be done with it, because I did not want the original carbon fiber because it doesn't match with the back. But another problem I was having is that I didn't really like the freaking, just to wrap it, I really like that carbon fiber look. Like the whole carbon fiber hood, it looked freaking amazing, man. Like, it just does look good. Okay? And so with that being said, there's this guy, okay, his name is theplugs.co on Instagram. He sells a lot of G35 and G37 parts. He actually is one of the first people that made a polyurethane GT3 bumper on the G35, and it looks freaking insane, man. I'm probably gonna cop one in the future. I hit him up. It's not even his fault, it was all my fault. I don't know what the hell happened. So I hit him up. Here are the DMs, right? I show him, I let him know, hey, do you got any fiberglass hoods? And then he was like, nah, man, in this style I only got carbon fiber AMS style hoods, but I should be getting some in like 12 days. Okay, now that's probably where I got confused. That's probably where I transitioned. I was like, it's okay, give me the carbon fiber one. Like, I didn't tell him that, give me the carbon, but at my brain I was like, okay, I mean, yeah, I'll just wrap the carbon fiber hood and, you know, maybe do some honeycomb vents or whatever. I guess that'll work. Like, at least it's carbon fiber, right? So 12 days pass, I get the hood, blah blah blah. Fast forward to yesterday, the hood comes in. Here's a clip. I go pick it up, I bring it back home, open it, make sure it's in good condition. When I'm opening the wrap and everything like that protects the hood, I see the hood and it's all black. And I'm like, wait, what the hell is going on? Like, why is this black, right? Now I go back to check my DMs, making sure, like, what the hell is this? Like some sort of like fishy something? No fishiness, no scam. The guy is super legit, super cool guy too, by the way. It was totally my fault. I literally 100% bought a fiberglass AMS style hood. No confusion, no nothing. So I don't know what the hell went in my head thinking that I actually got a carbon fiber hood. Me telling everybody, all of you guys, that I got a carbon fiber hood. Now we try to practice positive vibes only. I love the hood. It still looks good, don't get me wrong. But anyways, here is a plan with the hood, okay? So I know it's not carbon fiber, but it's alright. We're gonna make the best of it, and here's what we're gonna do. See these vents right here? We're just gonna go ahead and wrap the hood right, like the rest of the car, and then these vents right here. We're gonna go ahead and do our DIY real honeycomb carbon fiber overlay on those vents. I would do the whole hood, but honestly I don't know if I want to risk all that. Plus I don't know if they even sell honeycomb carbon fiber this wide, like the whole sheet. I'm pretty sure they do, but I wasn't sure where to get it. Besides that, yeah, that was the big thing, man. But it looks like to remove this hood, it shouldn't be that hard. Just looks like there's 2 hex bolts here. Alright guys, we're about to remove the hood. We already took off 2 screws out of 4. We're about to remove the last 2, and then this hood should be out of here. Alright, we got the hood out. We're gonna just put it inside. Alright guys, you guys ready for the look? 3, 2, 1. Damn, that thing looks good, bro. That thing looks good, not gonna lie. Okay, the only thing here is maybe right here is a little too short, but it's gonna be yellow anyway, so it's gonna blend in, so it's not really a big issue. This thing clicked in good, that's good. This thing's right here good. Now as far as gaps, you can see this one's kind of actually going on top of the headlight, and it's very close. Almost no gap. It's almost getting on top of the fender. You can see it's right there, and there's quite a gap. So basically we just need to do some adjusting right here real quick and get the fitment right. Before this it was no gap here and then gap there, so I scooted everything over. Now I have no gap there and gap here, so I'm gonna try to centralize this to have equal small gaps around. But as far as the grill, what do you guys think? Should I just leave them white? I was thinking of painting them black, but if I paint them black, probably you won't see it. And I actually like this contrast, this white contrast that it has, especially when I put the yellow on and then the carbon vents here. So I don't know if I should leave them on like that. I really like that kind of show that the grill's there. So, and I don't know why that one's awfully white too. This one's super white, and these are kind of like dirtied, I guess. I guess somebody put Crest white strips on those or something. Yeah, so we put like a white substance in the pin, marked it up there, and then we're gonna make a hole through the hood, and then we'll do the rest. Hey guys, welcome back. It's like 2 days later, and I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I'm gonna be transparent because I gotta tell you what's going on, okay? Not everything is gonna go right on the channel, so let me talk to you guys about what the hell's going on right now. Here we got the hood, right? It looks good, man. It looks good. But anyways, guys, before I continue, oh my god, my voice cracked. Jesus Christ. Before I continue, what do you guys think? Okay, I know it's fiberglass, whatever, alright? I already got the honeycomb carbon fiber that's coming in for the vents, man. I'm gonna make this perfect. By the way, when I ordered the carbon fiber fabric, as soon as I ordered, I think I ordered the last one, because when I ordered, it became sold out. So that's just a sign that it's meant to be. Okay, it's meant to be. We have no opportunity to mess up because it's the last of its kind. We installed our hood pin, right? This is what's going on right now. We installed our hood pin, but for some reason the bolt, whatever it bolts onto to latch that on, is not clicking through, man. So essentially the hood pin is like this, right? Like this on the hood, and the pin is straight, so it's not clicking in because it needs to be at an angle to the pin, and it's being straight, so it's not fitting. We're gonna have to figure something out. I try to finish it for you guys, but it's not working out, and I do not want to rush it and just make a complete mess. So we're gonna get this figured out. Everything will be all right, you know. Positive vibes only, you know. We're trying to be positive here. That's what's going on with the hood. Anyways, the question I wanted to ask you guys, okay, you know, the hood is black, and you know, a couple of my neighbors have seen it, and my girlfriend has seen it, and they're like, man, it looks pretty cool black. And usually this is the effect you get when it's all carbon, right? It's a different color to the body, and it's a huge contrast, and like it goes in with the black roof and stuff like that. So it's really cool. So I was thinking, it got me thinking, okay, I'm obviously not gonna go back and get a carbon fiber hood or whatever. I am gonna do the carbon vents and honeycomb, right? So what do you guys think? Should I have the honeycomb vents, right? Should I have the honeycomb vents with a color matching wrap around it, right? I would color match the hood and have the honeycomb vents. Or should I have the honeycomb vents and then do a satin black wrap just like the hood? I mean, just like the roof. Down in the comment section, I need you guys to let me know right now, what do you guys think? Alright guys, anyways, in order for me to kind of, you know, lower the stress levels a little bit, we're gonna go to an unofficial Cars and Coffee over here by a place where usually a lot of exotic goes. You know, it's kind of my zone. You know, I love watching those cars. They're just like different kind of cars. We're gonna hop in the Honda, you know, the original JDM, and we're gonna bounce over there and see what happens. So I'm bringing my girlfriend with me. Can you hear her? Alright guys, here we got the car meet. We got a Honda and we got a 2018 Ford Raptor. Alright guys, check out this Ford Focus, man. Carbon fiber hood, LED headlights, wide body. This is amazing. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Moving on to our next car. Next we got this Nissan GTR. This is probably like a 2017 model. Oh my god, this is amazing, dude. I love this car. What do you think about this car, babe? The GTR?
It's okay.
It's okay. I'm accepting applications for
what? For what?
Oh, the new Corvette. Look at that. That thing's big, the new Corvette. You didn't see it? We got another Cobra right here. Super legit. Oh my god. We got fresh kicks, fool. We got the little fucker over here with the Corvette. I wish. Fresh kicks Corvette is pretty badass, man. We got a GT3 RS. God, that is nice and stupid fast. Alright guys, we're gonna cross the street right here real quick and see this brand new C8 Corvette, man. Guys, this thing is just, man, a beast. Look at it, the curves, the angles. I'm not gonna lie though, the interior looks super small. Not that I'm a super wide or like big guy or anything. I'll probably fit super perfect in here. But
I think it was meant for us, babe.
Yeah, it was really meant for us. Like,
I'm a hijack it like GTA.
Well, look at my hand against the gas cap. I could grab. Oh my god, that thing is small. Look at this lineup, people. What do you guys prefer, the 2020 C8 Corvette or the 2019 ZR1? Honestly, I'm kind of digging this one. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this one. Alright guys, we're done for the day. Let me know which one was your favorite. I know there was a little bit of cars, but they were pretty badass, man. The new C8 Corvette is quite a gem. But yeah guys, the freaking, I gotta finish up the hood. But let me know down in the comments, yellow with carbon or black with carbon. Let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that. Hopefully we can get it done by the next video. And the carbon fabric should come in this Monday. We should start getting started on that process, and then getting the carbon, getting the vents placed in carbon. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys next video. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna post yet. If I'm gonna post a more update on my hood, or if I'm gonna post a tune. But either or, I'll let you guys know. Catch you guys next video. Stay safe out there. Put a gas mask on. Not a gas mask. What do you call this? Look, the Porsche just got pulled over. No.
Damn, that fucking sucks.
Dude, we were gassing and this Mustang gassed it, right? And I think the GT3 got triggered and he just freaking stamped on the accelerator and he gassed the Mustang. And well, that freaking undercover SUV, whatever, freaking stopped the Porsche, man. Sad day today, sad day, folks. This is bonus content for you guys. You guys think when I say goodbye to you guys I stop filming? No, this is bonus content. Alright? I love you guys.